Hey, thanks all for coming back to Rad City Berlin. Just wrapping up last week's video here in Hamburg. Heading back from Hamburg to Berlin. Just want to show you guys real quick that I made it back in one piece, safe and sound. The bike held up pretty good. It just turned off, I think, like once or twice. Nothing major. It wasn't like in the previous video there at Kapuster Tour where it turned off longer. So all good. Update real quick on the ZX battery issue. Basically, the Super 73. I got back to them. I wrote them, and they got back to me already pretty quickly. And they're sending out a new battery for the ZX, and hopefully then that will alleviate any sort of odd power glitches. But yeah, thank you Super 73 for getting back so quickly to me on that. So just enjoy this clip here real quick, just like a minute long to like a minute, 2 minute long clip here. Heading back from Hamburg. Maybe some B-roll stuff that I couldn't all include in last week's video. That was a long video right in Hamburg. Hopefully you guys appreciated that. I was kind of torn between doing 1 or 2 episodes, but I just wanted to move along to today's video because we got something really special in today's video. So you won't want to miss out. If you're new to Rad City Berlin, thank you for checking out today's video. Hit that subscribe button. That would be awesome. Helps me create more rad content for y'all. I just do this for free, for fun. My nice creative outlet, and hopefully show the community something cool, something rad, something different out here in Europe, out here in Berlin, Germany, heading back from Hamburg. So yeah, super rad times there in Hamburg. Not much left on the edit room floor. Basically showed you guys all the different areas that I wanted to show you, but I had all the cameras running the entire time, so I did have hours of footage I didn't include. So just enjoy this real quick clip here, montage, heading back from Hamburg to Berlin on the Super 73 ZX, riding on the German ICE high-speed train. Hey, welcome you all to a new episode of Rad City Berlin. Thank you so much for checking out today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed that nice little prologue there, ripping around Hamburg, coming back to Berlin. So all good, we made it back to Berlin now in one piece, all fine and good. We're out here with the ZX here at the Reload.Land electric motorcycle, electric bicycle festival. Really cool. We have urban drive style out here, Super 73, cake bikes, dab motors, all different kinds of electric motorcycles and bicycles. So really cool. And today's video basically is the setup day. All the manufacturers, all the bike manufacturers are getting all their stands set up and prepared for tomorrow's actual festival day. So today is kind of like press day, setting up day, and basically they invited Rad City to come out and join the festivities. To be able to show you guys a nice little sneak peek here of the Reload.Land electric motorcycle festival. So in today's video basically I need to get the ZX cleaned up. It's super filthy from our ride there in Hamburg. Plus, thank you so much Blur Boundaries, Elijah. You guys sent out the front tracker mount, so I have that for the bike. I have the front tracker mount with us. So in today's video basically I want to get the ZX cleaned up, get it presentable for tomorrow's actual festival, plus give you guys a pretty cool sneak peek here at the Reload.Land electric motorcycle festival. So enjoy this clip here, enjoy this montage here on Rad City Berlin. Hit that subscribe button if you're new to Rad City. I really appreciate it. I'll catch you guys here at the end for a wrap up and go over what we're going to see in next week's video. We'll keep it short in today's video. It was a super long video in last week's video. So without any further ado, enjoy this clip, getting the ZX ready, plus a nice little sneak peek here of the Reload.Land electric motorcycle festival here at Kraftwerk Berlin.
Alright y'all, got the Blur Boundaries front bracket installed now.
Real quick test here. They got this pretty cool off-road track here we can check out together on the ZX. We'll go over here real quick and wrap up today's video here in Rad City, Berlin. That's pretty fresh. Awesome. Nice street art over here. What's that? Dr. Doom, Duke Nukem. Sick. Let's go over there. I like that. But nice little test track over here, off-road course to this abandoned factory. Awesome. Nice, y'all. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video here in Rad City, Berlin. Pretty cool. The bike is now all good to go, cleaned up, is looking pristine. Got now the carbon fiber all beautiful and dust free. Forks are also all clean now as well too. We have this beautiful front tracker plate now as well on the bike. Thank you, Elijah, for setting out the mount for that. So check, I have it now all put on there, tightened down, buttoned down. We're able to give it here a nice test here, ripping around here on the Reload.Land off-road course here. So far so good. It's holding up. Bike is running beautiful. It looks good. I'm just waiting for like the battery to come, so that'll be in next week's video. The RX is waiting for the motor to arrive as well too, the motor and the controller, the EU controller. So we'll see in 24 hours if it's still on the bike or not. But yeah, stay tuned for next week's video. The full Reload.Land electric bicycle, electric motorcycle festival here at Kraftwerk with Rad City, Berlin. We're gonna do more demos, talk to some of these manufacturers, have a pretty cool silent bike ride planned for tomorrow night. So a lot more rad content coming in next week's video, so you won't want to miss out on that video. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. It really means a lot to me. Drop a comment below. I'd love to know what you guys thought of today's video. You guys ride safe, take care of one another. I'll see you guys again next week here at Rad City, Berlin. You guys stay safe. This is Rad City, Berlin. I'm out.